ningekuwa taxi driver, ningekupa lifti kila mara, ningekuwa shamba boy, ningekuchunia sukuma wiki, ningekuwa telephone operator, bamba 50 ningekusambazia, ningekuwa dereva city hopper, hata kilelesho ningetembea. I am a simple man, I dream about loving you and you in return, and my simple mind is filled with thoughts of you. You will be mine someday. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Robe, and today I'm gonna be walking you through on how to play Someday by Chris and Atemi. This is a response to a request made by one of you guys. So if you have a request, any song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, you can always let me know on the comment area. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube, and I will really appreciate if you did so. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of D sharp. Well, the song itself is played in 3 keys when you listen to the song, the original song from the radio version. Since Chris sings the song at key D sharp, Atemi sings at A sharp, and then the bridge is at key C. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna maintain one key, and that is D sharp. And the reason I chose D sharp is because Chris starts the song, and he starts off with the key D sharp, so I'm gonna just maintain that key. Well, I'll place my capo on the first fret, and you know, since I want to use the chords in the formation of D, so your capo should be on the first fret, and then we will play as if we were playing the key of D. Divide this tutorial into 4 parts, where I will discuss the intro, then the verse, the chorus, and the bridge. So those are the main kind of parts of this song, so we will discuss them in that order. Well, so on the intro, the progression is 6, 5, 4, 1, 5. The 6 is a C sharp, is a C minor chord, and then the 5 is a A sharp chord, A sharp major chord. The 4 is a G sharp chord, and then the 1 is a D sharp, and finally this 5 is a A sharp. So the way I hold those chords, we start off with the C minor chord. So the C minor chord, I'll be counting the frets from this capo. So if I say 2 frets, know that I'm not counting from the bridge here, but I'm counting from this fret where the capo is. So if I say 2, I will count 1, 2. So I'm placing my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, barring string 1 to 5, and then my middle finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret, my ring finger, string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the 4th fret too. So that is a C minor chord. Then the chord that follows is the 5 of key D sharp, which is A sharp. So A sharp, I'm barring string 1, string 2, 3, and 4 with my pointer finger. So I'm holding all those strings with my pointer finger. You can also hold the strings with your ring finger, middle finger, and pointer finger, where the ring finger string on string number 2, second fret, pointer finger string number 3 on the second fret 2, and pointer finger string number 4, yeah, on the second fret. But I prefer this because I'm used to it and my fingers are kind of thick. And then the chord that follows is the 4 chord, which is a G sharp. So this is how you'd hold the G, you know, the normal G. So I am using my ring finger, or rather my small finger, on the 3rd fret, string number 1, my middle finger, string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger, string number 6 on the 3rd fret. So that is G sharp. And then this D sharp chord. So the D sharp, I'm using my middle finger on string number 1, 2nd fret, my pointer finger, string number 3, 2nd fret, my ring finger, string number 2, 3rd fret, D sharp. Remember, I am counting from the frets, this capo, so just take note of that. And then finally we play the 5 again. So the 5 again, you know, with your pointer finger, string number 2, 3, and 4, or the other way that I've told you. So so the song, the intro plays twice. Then it starts off. So the verse, actually the verse and the intro share the same progressions. So the verses are, you know, that's 6, 5, 4, 1, and 5. So on the verses, the song starts off at this 5 chord, and then you proceed on to 6, 5, 4, 1, and then back to 5. So it starts off with like, ningekuwa taxi driver, ningekupa lifti kila mara, ningekuwa shamba boy, ningekuchunia sukuma wiki, you know, just take note of that. Don't start at the minor chord. You start with this chord. Well, so that's basically the verse, how you play the verse, and then the chorus. So the chorus, the progression changes. So the progression for the chorus is that 6, 5, 6, 4, 1, and 5. 6, 4, 1, and 5. I am a simple man, I dream about loving you in return. So the 6, I've already shown you how to hold this chord. The 5 also, I've already so the 5, this is actually the G chord. You can either hold it this way, or you can bar. So if you want to bar, you know, you use your pointer finger on the 3rd fret to bar string 1 to 6, and then your ring finger there, your middle finger on the 2nd fret, on the 2nd string, fret number 4, and then your ring finger, string number 4, and you small finger string number 3 on the 5th fret. 1 2 3 4 5th fret. So that's G sharp. So that's the progression for the chorus. So now the other bit, so it will be the bridge. The bridge also has a different chord progression. So the progression for the bridge is 6 5 3 and then 4. So the 6 is a C minor chord. The 5 is A sharp chord. The 3, so the 3 here is a G sharp minor chord, and then the 4 is G major chord. So the D sharp, the G sharp minor chord, I am barring the 2nd fret with my pointer finger. Remember, I'm counting my frets from this couple. So on the 2nd fret, pointer finger, and then this ring finger on string number 5, 4th fret, and my small finger string number 4 on the 4th fret too. So this is G sharp minor chord, and then the G sharp major chord. So you can either use this form or the bar chord. So this is how you'd sing that beat. So you start off with the C minor. Kwa salama na kwa dhiki, wajua na kupenda, bebe mesitishiki na mashaka ya mapenzi. And then you proceed on to, I think, the chorus. So well, that's it. Those are the parts or the progressions that comprise this song. So I think I'm done. I haven't left out anything. So well, again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. Just comment, tell me, hey, what's up, do this song, and I will do it for you guys. So with that, guys, let's see each other at the next tutorial. Ciao.